Hi friends, welcome to WafaStudies YouTube channel. This is continuation to previous video in Azure PowerShell playlist. In our previous video, we discussed about how to install PowerShell, which helps you to connect with Azure resources. For that, we have to install Azure PowerShell module. That's what we discussed it. So this is continuation. In this video, using that same PowerShell and Azure PowerShell module, we are going to interact with Azure Subscription, and then we are going to create the Azure resource group in it. So once you create resource group, you can create resources in it, right? I hope you guys know it. If you don't know, please watch my Azure basics playlist to understand better. So let's understand how to create this Azure resource group using PowerShell now. Let's go to Azure Portal and let me explain you from there. We have opened Azure Portal and you can see that we have connected with mahirbasha@outlook.com ID here. Okay. And if I go to the resource groups in this Azure subscription, right now I don't have any resource group, as you can see this here. So for example, if you want to create a resource group, what you do from this portal, you can create a resource group. You can hit this create button under resource groups and you can start creating resource group. Maybe RG testing. That is the resource group name. Resource group testing. East US is fine. Let me hit review plus create and then let me hit this create button. So this creates the resource group. And here we are creating a resource group by interacting with Azure using the browser. But the same thing we can do via PowerShell also. So what we can do, we can go to this PowerShell console and here first step will be connecting yourself with Azure subscription. Okay. So how you can do that? You can use this connect hyphen AZ account commandlet that will help you to connect to Azure subscription. The moment you enter it, it will actually opens the browser window and it will ask for your authentication. So let's wait and complete the authentication here first. So let me select this mahirbasha@outlook.com. That is the identity using which I want to authenticate from my from my local Azure module. That means PowerShell module. So once you connected, you can clearly see that okay, this is the ID account you connected it, and this is the subscription to which you connected. All that information is there. So for example, let's assume you have multiple subscriptions and you this connect as a account command incorrectly connected to some different subscription, but you want to connect to something else. In such cases, you have to change the Azure context first. There is a command called AZ-get-AZ context command. This command will help you to know to which subscription you connected. In this case, I connected to this subscription. Okay, so if I want to change that subscription context, then you can use set AJ context command. If I go to the OneNote and if you see here, so this is the command. So you have to use the set AJ context, then use your subscription to which you want to connect. Okay, so in my case, I have only one subscription, so that is fine for me. So now we successfully connected to Azure subscription. Now let me hit clear command here. Now how to create Azure resource group. To create Azure resource group, as you can see here, you can use this new Azure resource group command. But before creating it, let's try to get the resource groups which are available inside my subscription. So I can use this get as a resource group commandlet for it. So let me try to get it. So all these commands, right, we no need to remember actually. Uh, if you have seen my PowerShell playlist, not Azure PowerShell, a normal PowerShell playlist, in which I said that everything is commandlet in Power BI, sorry, in PowerShell, and everything will be having like this actually. Sorry, everything will be having this verb and noun. You see here, get is verb, what you want to do, and AJ resource group, that is noun on which you want to give. So everything will have that kind of a format. So you can use that. Okay, so if I use this get resource group and I want to format it in a tabular format, and if you enter it, the output will come in a tabular format. You can see that it listed this resource group. There is only one resource group called RJ testing. Okay, so now I want to create a new resource group. So as I said, I no need to remember the command. What I want to do, I want to create new. So I can say like new hyphen, then what is the noun resource group, right? So I want to create a new resource group. I can use this AJ resource group command. Okay, so intelligence is also showing it, but after that, what parameter to use, what value to pass, all that information also you should know it, right? So for that, generally you can use, there is one command called get help. There is a command called get help. Then I can give the command name. So I want to get help about this command, AJ new resource group. So if I use this, right, it will get the information of that particular command, what parameters it has, what type of values to pass, all the documentation will come here. Okay, so you can follow this documentation and understand the syntax accordingly, use that particular command let. So you can check that in your free time. So in this case, I am directly going to use this new AZ resource group command. Then for the name parameter, so yeah, maybe as RG testing PS, okay, PowerShell. So maybe I want to create a resource group called RG testing PS, and I wanted to create it in a West US location. So now if I hit enter, it should go and talk to my Azure subscription and it should create the resource group. You see that it has created a resource group and it shows the status successful here. I can verify that manually also if I go to Azure Portal, and if I refresh these resource groups, I should see this new resource group which I created, and you see that it's created in the West US region, right? And I can verify the same thing from the PowerShell also. I can use that same get AJ resource group command that will list down all the resource groups what is created inside that subscription. Okay, so that's how we can interact to Azure subscription from the PowerShell with the help of Azure module, and then create the resources as well. So this video we have created resource group. Maybe in our future videos, I will try to add more such useful scenarios using PowerShell, how we can create them. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.